everybody. My name is Claudia, and I go by the Lite Guide. I work with a variety of different frequency devices in my practice. And if you'd like to learn more about what I do, you can go onto my website, which is theliteguide.com, and it'll be listed below. Today, what I would like to teach and focus on is a function of the Healy. The Healy is a microcurrent device and something that I use on a daily basis. When you purchased your Healy, you bought a version of it, either a Healy Pro or a version of the Healy Resonance. And that Healy came with a bunch of different preloaded programs. Those programs are for your general well-being, and they're wonderful, and I use them every day. But what you might not know, or what you might be wanting to learn about, is that there's a whole other category of Healy programs, which I love, and they're called the Healy Expert Programs. What I'm going to be teaching you today is how to purchase them and load them onto your Healy. So what you're going to want to do always is turn your Healy on first. Once you've done that, you're going to go into the Pink Wave app. That's what I like to call it. And from there, you're going to scroll down to a section at the bottom of the program catalog called Healy Expert Programs. You're going to click on that, and then a new page will open. And at the top of that page, you'll see a section that says Generate New Expert TAN. That's like a key to your Healy. Once you get that number, you're going to send it to the practitioner who has made the Healy Expert Program. And that's like an email system so that the practitioner can send you the Healy Expert Program directly to yours. Once that has been done, the next time that you open the Pink Wave app, you are going to see a new sign on the right-hand side of the Pink Wave app that says, a new configuration is available. Update now. You'll click Update Now, and that program, that Healy Expert Program, will be loaded. You can then scroll to the bottom, left-hand side, click on Expert Programs. Don't click on Expert TAN again. Go below that and click on Expert Programs, and it will be listed there. There are 12 slots that you can fill on each Healy for Expert Programs. And if you happen to run out of space and want to swap it out for another, most practitioners will allow you to do that. Now that you know how to do it, let me tell you about my absolute favorite time waiver Healy Expert Program developer, and her name is Brid Hanlon. I'm also going to link her website below so that you can request her list of Healy Expert Programs. Why would you want one? The Healy programs that you already have that came with yours when you purchased it are wonderful, and they're a little bit general for your immune system or for emotional well-being, and they're amazing. Some of my favorite ones are the fitness programs. But what if you have something more specific that you want to target? Brid has created an amazing catalog of programs that I am obsessed with. Some of the programs that she has created are called Attracting Abundance. Who doesn't want that? Manifesting Miracles. Or let's say you're having a physical ailment issue that didn't come along with your Healy, such as psoriasis or migraines or brain fog. She's created a whole category of physical Healy programs as well. I became so obsessed with these programs that I even had the opportunity to co-create my very own program along with Sonia Masur and Brid. The three of us created a program called Spring into Action, and spring is around the corner. It's about taking all of your ideas through a process so that you can manifest your goals into action in your daily life. If you're feeling a little sluggish or like you just can't get through what you want to get done, Spring into Action is the program for you. But have fun, request her catalog, look through them all, read what they're about, and then go back to the beginning of the video if you want to review how to load those programs onto your Healy. Look, there's a lot to learn about this device. This little tiny device does so much, and I know that it can be overwhelming. I love supporting people, holding their hands through learning everything that this device can do. So if you want to learn more, feel free to hop on to my website and book an appointment with me. Again, that's theliteguide.com is the link below. Thank you for your time, and I'm here to help.